Okay, so I'm gonna explain how the eyebrows are done. Unlike the hair, you don't create a vertex group. So vertex groups are here, and you go to edit mode, and you select your vertex group. So you see the hair selected, that's where the hair particles are coming out of. You don't want to have that for the particle system for the eyebrows. The particle system for the eyebrows, you actually turn the emission number down to 0 and the length down to 0.0025 m. That's what I have here going on. You could go a little smaller, a little larger, but this is what I got. So that will create the really short length. That will the benefit of turning the emission down is it allows you to have precise adding to where the hair goes, where the hair up here can have some randomness based upon the parent hairs. With the eyebrows, there is no children hairs how I'm doing it. I want everything to be very, very precise. So the eyebrows, pretty much how you do it is you select add eyebrows, and then you just add them in and then comb them over. For example, just see, you add that, and then you add, and then you come over, and you adjust your radius and stuff. And then you comb it down. You only have to do one eyebrow. You don't have to do them both as long as your character is symmetrical. Simply, what you can do is the A key is the selection key. So say these weren't selected. You hit the A key, they're selected. So if you do one eyebrow completely and it looks good, all you have to do is hit the A key, particle, mirror, and that'll mirror it to the other side. So then you'll have both your eyebrows and, the eyebrow particle system. Now what I plan to do is when I convert these to meshes and then convert them to curves, I'm planning to see if I can merge the two curve groups into one curve group so that when I bring it into Unreal Engine, the hair and the eyebrows are all one curve group. The benefit of that is because Unreal Engine's groom system is highly experimental, the less hair grooms in the scene, the better. So having this all as one hair groom instead of two is going to create less glitches. That's it for this. Oh, of course you want to put your hair color path in like you did with the top hair, and no vertex groups assigned for the eyebrows, only the hair. The hair, I'll just show you, has one vertex group assigned. That's how I'm doing it here. Just the top one. Okay, that's it.